Celebrity Chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make cedar planked tilapia. This is one of my personal favorite recipes because it is so great for every meal. It's also really impressive and easy to do. First, you'll want to get started with a cedar plank. You can find these all over the place now. They have them in the meat departments of most grocery stores. I've even seen them at discount dollar stores for $1. So get one, try it out. They're a lot of fun. First, you want to soak your cedar plank in water for at least 10 minutes. Then you just want to set it down on your surface and put your tilapia. You could put one piece if you want individual serving ones, or you can line up a bunch of pieces of tilapia. Today I'm just doing one piece because this is going to be a single serving. Then I'm going to put some of my favorite spices on top. Today I'm going to keep it simple with a little bit of fresh ground pepper. If you're doing a Mexican style tilapia, you could put a little chili powder here. If you're doing an Italian style, maybe a little Italian seasonings. Start to get creative. Then I'm going to put some fresh herbs. I have some dill here. Just going to lay it over like that. And then when I'm doing my cedar plank tilapia, I like to put a few slices of citrus fruit on top. It's going to give the tilapia a lot of flavor, but it's also going to protect the top from burning and keep in a lot of the juices. So today I'm going to use some fresh orange slices that I thought would taste really great with the fresh dill and the tilapia. So this is it. Now it's ready to go on your grill at medium-high heat, or you could even put it in the oven. That's one of the great things about these cedar planks, because they work just as great on the grill or as in the oven. If you're going to put them in the oven, put it at about 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. But you'll want to check on it periodically to make sure that the cedar plank doesn't catch on fire. This is Mariko showing you how to make a cedar planked tilapia. Enjoy.